Welcome to another week of Forex Bunkers Weekly Wrap. We go over the market for EU, AU and GU. Alright, let's get stuck into it. Firstly, we're looking at a daily chart on EU. We've had a pretty much downward week this week. Every day but Thursday had a fair bit of movement. Friday we did have a push up to this 136 area, but it's been strongly rejected by around about 100 pips. So I do anticipate us to move further down. But let's zoom out and find some new levels for us to look out for. Firstly, we have our last swing low, which is also supported by SR on the left hand side here in price. Price had tried to push through this. This was back in January, so quite 11 months ago. And when it pushed through, it did confirm it as support and for a further push high. We have touched this area before, but do keep a close eye out on it. Another area that will be of interest will be this zone just here. Oh, they changed it. Excuse me. There was an update to this platform and I hadn't used just then, and I haven't used it. Let me try that again. Horizontal, there we go. So we're looking at that zone and also the swing low. Okay, above this area, just there, and also the 13750. So just quickly go over these zones. We've got the 13420 to 134 even area. Just watch out for that to see if price does rebound. We have been stepping down, so the odds that it will push through are quite high. Then we have our 13250 to 133, which is based off this SR just back here. Alright. And then below that we have our swing low at 132 even to 13150. So keep a close eye on that. In terms of which direction we are this week, as we've been stepping down, and I'll show you this, as price is slowly but surely stepping down, the odds that we'll push through are quite high. But just keep in mind we haven't made a new high up here, and we have made a new low from this swing point, so yeah, that supports the odds as well. Let's move on to GU. GU is pretty much the same, mimicking EU. We've finally broken out of this sideways movement. Price is slowly stepping down. This Friday candle, I'll just clear that because I drew over it. This Friday candle is a good indication that we'll more than likely see further shorts. Okay, so keep a close eye on 15650. 155 even, and then the swing low point of 15350. Above that we're just looking at the sideways movement, so keep a close eye on that. If price does push into this zone, we could see more sideways movement continue and the range being extended. But overall, I do anticipate us to coming down to see this 15350 over the next few weeks. And finally AU had a strong push down, including Thursday, unlike the other two pairs. Overall, we have made no new highs. It attempted to a couple of weeks ago, but it was not successful. And it is looking like it's going to push through this parity and continue below. Keep a close eye on the parity mark, which is just here, as well as this 97, my apologies, even to 95.50. Alright, so where this SR is at 99.10, this is pretty close to parity, so keep a very close eye on that as well. I'll just draw in this horizontal line of parity, which is just there. So that's where price is currently sitting on right now. And if it does break, we have another SR 100 pips lower, and then we're clear for a few hundred pips. Above that, we've got this cluster of SR around the 102 to 102.80, so about 100 pip range, and then it pushes up higher to this double top. I don't anticipate us to see this double top next week. I do anticipate us for a further push down. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. If you have any questions, please let me know. Cheers.